Did you hear about that kid Lincoln yesterday?
What happened?
He got squirted in the face by water.
He did?
Yeah, he had to go home and change his clothes.
Dang, what did he get sprayed by?
The faucets, of course.
The faucet?
The faucets.
Dang, they use way too much water in those faucets.
I know, right? Anacapa Middle School has a big problem.
Is to reduce water waste from faucets in classrooms by a decrease of 28% by using about 25 sensor faucets or aerators by the end of 2020.
The audit data. The average classroom sink at Anacapa Middle School uses 3.5 gallons of water per minute. If we had used sensor faucets or aerators, then the faucets would run shorter and use a more concentrated amount of water.
Sensor faucets may be expensive, ranging from $225 to $275, but we could use the money from which the water we save to buy them. The overall cost would be $5,635 and $6,800. Two is to buy new aerators. Aerators make the faucet's water more gentler as they come out. They range from $5 and up. We would need about 25 aerators. The final cost would be about $125.
If this was implemented, we could see how much less we are paying for water by comparing our water bill now to our water bill then. We would also measure the GPM, gallons per minute, of the faucets and see if they reduced at all.
We plan to present our ideas to Ms. Vega, our principal, by May 20th, 2019. We are also going to speak to the head custodian about the install.
We're planning on creating Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook accounts, most likely one for each. On them, we will be posting tips on how to save water and new ideas that we or others have to save water.
We are also going to create a website with our plans to reduce water consumption at Anacapa Middle School.
We're going to spread flyers all around the school, putting them up on walls and giving them to our fellow students about our plans to reduce water consumption.